Okay guys, I know you've heard me rave about this product. It's our DNA Cellular Repair Cream. It is part of our Platinum anti-aging, or it has a little bit of a nickname within Nutrimetics of our Better Than Botox range. We have 400 plus products, and if I could only pick one to take to a deserted island, it would be this. Very light. It's got a lovely light texture. The things that I have managed to see this product repair, it basically goes to work to repair the DNA structure of your skin cells, and it basically does about 3 different things. It repairs, it plumps, and it protects the skin. The skin that ages as slow as possible, I suppose you would say. So it's got a magic ingredient in it that you're welcome to Google called Juvefoxo. And you just rub it on, and my one tip with this product would be, don't just slap it on and walk out of the bathroom. This is a high-end, high-performance product. Really massage it into the neck area and out and across the forehead and wherever. I do it basically all over my face of a morning before I do my SPF 50 Smart Shield, and that's got the SPF in it to protect me from the sun damage and from plasma televisions and computer screens and stress. This goes first. And then of an evening I would do this, and I would do a night cream to slow down the aging process in my skin cells. Brilliant, brilliant product. The photos that I will post will also show you person after person has sent me a testimonial on how that this has changed their skin or repaired a scar or an operation, stitches, burns, stretch marks, you name it. This fixes all of them. Imagine if it is fixing really significant things like that, how it will simply just repair the face when you are using it as a day cream and a night cream. And remember, using it once you'll get a result, but use it twice a day, you're going to get double the result. It is truly my favorite product out of everything we sell. The DNA Cellular Repair Cream. Watch your skin turn back time. It has a nickname of our Benjamin Button of face creams. So try it for yourself. I promise you'll love it, or you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Look out for the specials on this because it doesn't come up too often, and it is a brilliant, brilliant product. Try it.